I always wanted to photograph Harlem. So I had to go to Harlem to get the soul.
We were artists, photographing the black world in Harlem, the center of the black art universe, the black world of art.
Kamoinge got really tight because we all lived in the same neighborhood. We were fortunate to come into that second Harlem Renaissance where you were exposed to everybody. Where do you get a chance to meet that many people who are involved with the arts that you could hang out, talk with, go to parties with?
All through my life, I had never met an artist. Then I found everyone really doing something about something they loved. That's why New York was so great, because everybody's doing something.
The excitement that was going on in Harlem and the creative energy, it was very high. It was just a beautiful time. Harlem was beautiful.